Hello learners, how are you? We are going to study today factorization and we will solve exercise 5C of ICSE board. So I will solve only alternate questions and our first question is question number 2, that is a square minus 2a plus 3b whole square. Just look at it carefully. Here it is in the form of a square minus b square, right? And as we know that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So it will be a plus 2a plus 3b into a minus 2a plus 3b. Simple. A plus b into a minus b. Okay. Now a plus 2a become 3a plus 3b into a minus 2a plus into minus minus 3b. Now take 3 common, then it will be 3a plus b into minus a minus 3b. You can take minus 1 common as well from these terms. So it will be minus 3a plus b, a plus 3b. This will be your answer. Simple. Okay. Now our next question is question number 4. Question number 4 is 25 2a minus b whole square minus 81 b square. Now look at here, we can write it in the form of a square minus b square as well, because as you know that 25 is the square of 5, so it will be 5 2a minus b whole square minus 9b whole square, because 81 is the square of 9 is equal to 5 into 2 become 10a minus 5b whole square minus 9b whole square. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square, so it will be again a plus b into a minus b, right? Okay. So it will be 10a minus 5b minus 9b into 10a minus 5b plus 9b. Hence, by solving these, we can write it as 10a minus 14b into 10a plus 4b. Okay. Now we can take 2 common from here, from these and these as well. So if we take 2 common from here, then it will be 5a minus 7b, and if we take 2 common from here, then it will be 5a plus 2b. And since 2 is taken common from here and here both, so 2 into 2 become 4. So our final answer is 4, 5a minus 7b and 5a plus 2b. Okay. Now next question is question number 6. Question number 6 is 4a square b minus 9b cube. Just look at these terms, we can take b common. So it will be b 4a square minus 9b square, that means b 2a whole square minus 3b whole square. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square, similar. So it will be b 2a plus 3b into 2a minus 3b. This is your answer. Now question number 8. Question number 8 is 9a minus 2 whole square minus 16a plus 2 whole square. We can write, since 9 is the square of 3 and 16 is the square of 4, so we can write it 3a minus 2 whole square minus 4a plus 2 whole square. Okay, this means it will be 3 into a become 3a minus 3 into 2 becomes 6 square minus 4 into a become 4a plus 4 into 2 will be 8 whole square. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square, right? So by using identity a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, we can write 3a minus 6 plus 4a plus 8 into 3a minus 6 minus 4a plus 8. It will be 3a plus 4a becomes 7a minus 6 plus 8 become plus 2, and here it is 3a minus 6 minus 4a and minus into plus will be minus 8. So 7a plus 2 into 3a minus 4a will be minus a, minus 6 minus 8 will be minus 14. If you take minus common from here, then it will be 7a plus 2 minus 7a plus 2 into a plus 14. This will be your answer. It's all depends on you that you want to take minus negative sign common or not. Okay. Now question number 10. Question number 10 is also simple. It is a cube plus 2a square minus a minus 2. Alright. Now take common from these and these terms. Then it will be, if you take a square common from here, then it will be a plus 2. And if you take minus 1 common from here, then it will be a minus 2, sorry, a plus 2 as well, because minus is taken common. So when we take a plus 2 common again, then it will be a plus 2 into a square minus 1. Now as we know that 1 is the square of 1, so it will be in the form of, it is in the form of a square minus 1 square, means a square in the form of a square minus b square. So we can write a plus 2 into a plus 1 into a minus 1. This is your answer. Okay, 1 square, a square minus 1 square, a plus 1 into a minus 1. Alright. Now question number 12. Question number 12 is a into a minus 1 minus b into b minus 1. In this question there is no common from between these two terms, this term and this term. So we will expand it, okay, and then solve it. Hence it will be a square, by multiplying this, a into a square minus a into 1 a minus b into b square minus into minus plus b into b into 1 b. Okay. Now interchanging the position of a and b square so that we can take common. Hence it will be a square minus b square minus a plus b. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square, which is an identity. So it will be a plus b into a minus b, and if you take minus 1 common, then it will be a minus b as well. Now take a minus b common, then it will be a minus b into a plus b minus 1. This is your answer. Easy, right? Now we are going to solve question number 14. Question number 14 is 4a square minus 49b square plus 2a minus 7b. Okay. Now just look at this term. We can write it in the form of a square minus b square, because 4 is the square of 2 and 49 is the square of 7, right? 7. So it will be 2a whole square minus 7b whole square plus 2a minus 7b. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. So it will be 2a plus 7b into 2a minus 7b plus, if we take one common from here, then it will be 2a minus 7b as well. Now take 2a minus 7b common, then it will be 2a minus 7b into 2a plus 7b plus 1. This will be your answer. Simple, easy. Now question number 16. Question number 16 is also too easy. It is written here 4a square minus 12a plus 9 minus 49b square. Okay. Now by looking at it carefully, we can convert these three terms in the form of a minus b whole square. Just look at here. It will be 2a whole square minus 2 into 2a into 3. 2 2 is a 4, 4 3 is a 12, then it will be 12a plus 3 square will be equal to 9. Okay, and then minus this will be 7b whole square, right? Now just look at here carefully. It will be a square minus 2 into a into b and then b square. Okay, so this is in the form of 2a minus 3 means a minus b whole square minus 7b square. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. So the final answer will be 2a minus 3 minus 7b into 2a minus 3 plus 7b. This is your answer. Simple, easy, right? Okay. Now question number 18. Question number 18 is a square plus b square minus c square minus d square plus 2ab minus 2cd. Okay. Now since a square plus b square plus 2ab is in the formula of, it is the formula of a plus b whole square, so we will write it at one position or place, then it will be a square plus b square plus 2ab, and then if we take minus common from c square d square and minus 2cd, then it will be minus c square plus d square plus 2cd. Okay, all right. Then this all of three are in the form of a plus b whole square, and then minus, and these are in the form of c plus d whole square. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. So it will be a plus b into a minus b, right? A minus b. So this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So it will be a plus b plus c plus d into a plus b minus c plus d. Always remember to put c plus d, that is if there are more than one term, then put them in bracket, or remember to change the sign of all terms. Okay, because when we multiply negative sign from any term, then sign will change. Okay, hence it will be a plus b plus c plus d into a plus b minus c minus d. This will be your answer. Minus into plus minus. Okay. Now question number 20. Question number 20 is a square minus 1 b square minus 1 plus 4ab. By looking these two terms, there is nothing common between them, right? So we will expand it. Then it will be a square into b square become a square b square, and then a square minus 1 equal to minus a square, minus 1 into b square become minus b square, and then minus 1 into minus 1 become plus 1 plus 4ab. Okay, now we can write it as a square b square plus 1 plus 2ab, to take them in the form of a plus b whole square, and then minus a square minus b square, and since we are writing here plus 2ab, so plus 2ab remains, it will be written here. Okay, like that. Then since a square b square is equal to ab whole square of ab, so it will be ab whole square plus 1 square plus 2 into ab into 1 will be 2ab. Okay, and if we take minus common from here, then it will be a square plus b square minus 2ab. all right, now it is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab, as well as this is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. Hence it will be ab plus 1 whole square minus a minus b whole square. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square, so it will be ab plus 1 plus a minus b into ab plus 1 minus a minus b is equal to ab plus 1 plus a minus b into ab plus 1 minus a plus b. This will be your answer, minus into minus plus. Okay, simple. This is the little tricky one, but you can manage it by more practice and practice. Okay. Now question number 22. Question number 22 is a square plus b square minus 4c square whole square minus 4a square b square. Okay. Now just look at here. We can write a square plus b square minus 4c square whole square minus 2ab whole square. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. So it will be a square plus b square minus 4c square minus 2ab, and again a square plus b square minus 4c square plus 2ab, right? A plus b into a minus b. And just look at here, a square plus b square minus 2ab will be equal to a minus b whole square. Okay, then it will be a minus b whole square minus 4c square can be written as 2c whole square, and this will be a square plus b square plus 2ab will be equal to a plus b whole square minus 4c square will be equal to 2c whole square. Now these are in the form of a square minus b square as well as a square minus b square, these are also. So it will be a minus b minus 2c into a minus b plus 2c into a plus b minus 2c into a plus b minus plus 2c. This will be your answer. Okay, a minus b into a plus b, a minus b into a plus b. Okay, got it? All right. Now question number 24. Question number 24 is a plus b whole square minus a square plus b square. Now just look at here. This will be a plus b whole square, and here it is in the form of b square. We can write it as b square minus a square, right? So it will be a plus b whole square plus b plus a into b minus a. Okay. Now b plus a and a plus b are same because addition is associative, right? So that means a plus b and b plus a all are same. Position change करने से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. Hence we can take a plus b common from here. Then it will be a plus b plus b minus a. Now a cancel plus a minus a cancel each other. Then b plus b 2b, so it will be 2b. A plus b. This will be your answer. Alright, easy, too easy, right? I told you that factorization is too easy. It is too easy, but you need to know all identities that you have learnt in standard 8 and as well as in standard 9. Okay. Now question number 26. Question number 26 is 9a square minus a square minus 4 whole square. This is too easy. 3a whole square minus a square minus 4 whole square. Hence it will be in the form of, hence it is in the form of a square minus b square. So it will be 3a minus a square minus 4 into 3a plus a square minus 4 will be equal to 3a minus a square plus 4 into 3a into a square plus 3a minus 4. Okay, got it? Now since these are trinomials, so we can write it as minus a square plus 3a plus 4, and this will be also a square plus 3a minus 4. Since these are in the form of trinomial, so just look at here how we factorize trinomial. You are familiar with it, right? And we have already solved this kind of questions. So we are going to multiply the coefficient of a square and the constant term, that is minus 1 and 4, then it will be minus 4, and so we have to factorize or find the factor of 4 in such a manner that their subtraction, their difference will be equal to 3, and as we know that 4 can be written as 4 into 1 and 4 minus 1 is 3. So we will write here minus a square plus 4 minus 1a plus 4. Similarly here also a square plus 4 minus 1a minus 4, because in this case 1 into minus 4 is also minus 4. Okay. So it will be minus a square plus 4a minus a plus 4 into a square plus 4a minus a minus 4. Now we are taking common minus a, then it will be a minus 4, and then again minus 1 common, then it will be a minus 4 as well, and here if we take a common, then it will be a plus 4, and minus 1 common, then it will be a plus 4. Simple. Now take common a minus 4 from here and a plus 4 from here, then it will be a minus 4 into minus a minus 1, and then a plus 4 into a minus 1. Now if you want, then you can take minus common from here as well, and let us multiply this minus here, then it will be 4 minus a into a plus 1 into a plus 4 into a minus 1, sorry. Okay, there is a confusion. If you take minus common from here, then it will be a plus 1, right? And it should be right here. And if you multiply minus from a and minus 4, then it will be plus 4 and then minus a. That is what I have written here. This will be your answer. Simple. Now question number 28. Question number 28 is 4x square plus 1 by 4x square plus 1. Now we can write it as 2x whole square plus 1 by 2x whole square plus 2 into 2x into 1 by 2x, right? And since plus 2 into 2x into 1 by 2x is written here by myself, so we will write here as well minus 2 to cut it by 2x and then plus 1. Now since it is in the form of a plus b whole square, so it will be 2x plus 1 by 2x whole square, and then this will be minus 2 plus 1 become minus 1 and 1 is equal to 1 square. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square, and as we know that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Hence 2x plus 1 by 2x plus 1 into 2x plus 1 by 2x minus 1. This will be your answer. Our last question is question number 30. Question number 30 is a square b plus c minus b plus c whole cube. Now take b plus c common from here, then it will be a square minus b plus c whole square. Since it is in the form of a square minus b square, hence it will be b plus c into a minus b plus c into a plus b plus c equal to b plus c into a minus b minus c into a plus b plus c. Simple. Now try to solve all remaining questions, and we will solve remaining questions or remaining exercises in our next video. Till then, keep learning.